The customer screen is central to Estimate Master because you cannot create an estimate until you have a customer. So if you need to create an estimate for a customer and the name is, or that customer is not in there already, you click the plus button, type in the name of the customer, like so. Let's type in a name here. And you can also fill in all the information, the name of the contact person, phone, etc., email, all that. And if you want, you can put in an alternate set of information, in which case, whatever you put in, it's printed in the estimate report that you give to the customer. And if you simply select Alt, then the Alt information is presented in the customer report or an estimate report. So pretty straightforward. I just created this new customer called John Smith. If I go to the estimate screen, there's a John Smith. If you notice, there's nothing to the right because it's a new customer, no estimate. So I want to create an estimate for this guy. I just click the plus button under estimate description. Now I've got an estimate, nothing in it yet. Let's say I added an assembly. Go back to the estimate. Now I got an estimate. Actually, just one assembly, but that's how easy it is to create a minimal estimate for a customer. Going back to the customer screen, if you have some of your customers or all your customers in your contacts, you just simply click on the lower left, import all contacts, and then the ones you don't want, just delete, like so. I won't let you delete customers that already have estimates. So that's that. And if you have you've created a new customer and you want to put it in your contact, your iPad address book or contact list, just pick the customer you want to export and just click export, like so. And that's all there is to it. So eventually you'll get to the point where you have a lot of customers and maybe you don't want to see them all on the estimate screen. So you can declare a customer inactive over here. You don't lose it, you just hide it. And if you click over here, show active only, then you don't see the inactive customers. So another way to reduce your data. Pretty straightforward. By the way, you can put in any languages supported by iOS, which is virtually all the world languages that are written. Whether they're right to left or left to right, you can put in, use that language, and it goes into, if you have that set up for your original language, that's what appears. So you're not limited to English by any means. The labels on the buttons and so forth are English, but all the data that goes into it, so basically what goes into your customer report can all be whatever language you choose. So be sure that this is really an international estimating tool. The only caveat is that the labels are in English and the buttons are in English and so forth. But that's pretty much all there is to the customer screen.